Best ways to get rid of blackheads. Who doesn't want a flawless complexion, right? There's definitely ways to get rid of blackheads without picking and squeezing at your skin. 3 ways to get rid of blackheads. 1. Exercise. Don't underestimate the power of exercise and a flawless complexion. And I'm not exaggerating. If you've taken my free Acne Solutions 5-day email course, you know how much a fan I am of exercise to clear up your skin, especially exercise that's getting you sweating. Sweaty exercise, in my opinion, clarifies and decongests your skin from the inside out like nothing else. If you're looking for a remedy for blackheads and congested pores, start exercising daily. Make sure the exercise you're doing raises your heart rate, warms you up, and gets you sweating. The heat and sweat is what will help soften and unclog your pores. If you commit to exercising regularly, over time you will see your pores shrink in appearance, with blackheads reducing in size or completely disappearing. 2. Cut down on cooking oils in your diet. In general, the healthier your diet is, the better your complexion will be. Cutting down on sugar, caffeine, dairy, and processed food will help you have clearer skin and reduce pore congestion. Out of all foods that are detrimental to your skin, I find cooking oils to be closely linked to enlarged and congested pores and blackheads. I regularly tell my coaching clients to cut down on the oils they are using in their cooking, or if they can, eliminate it completely. And they're always so surprised how much it actually helps their skin. Based on my own experience, I've always noticed that if I ate a particularly oily meal, an hour later my skin would be very oily. And it's not that the oil from my food got all over my face. The oil is literally coming out through my pores, from the inside out. For some people, this type of thing wouldn't adversely affect their skin, but if you're prone to breakouts, acne, and congested pores, this could very well clog up your skin and contribute to blackheads. Some of you already know that many years ago I was on a raw food diet for about 4 years. During that time I only ate raw foods, nothing was cooked, and I barely used oil, even in my salad dressings. During that time I barely had any blackheads and no enlarged pores, and I attribute that to the fact that I wasn't having much oil in my diet. I did eat plenty of foods that had naturally occurring fat like avocados, nuts, seeds, coconut meat, etc., but barely any oil. I suggest you to reduce the amount of oil you're using in your food and cooking, especially oils that you are heating up. Whenever possible, skip the oils completely. Instead of frying or sautéing your food with oil, steam, poach, bake or grill your food instead. And remember, I'm not telling you to eliminate fat from your diet, just the oils. So please, continue eating healthy fats every day. You just don't need the processed oils. 3. Exfoliate your skin regularly. Exfoliation is key. Blackheads are a result of oil sebum, dead skin cells, dirt and debris building up in your pores and on the surface of your skin. And sometimes just cleansing your face isn't enough to get rid of that buildup. There's many different methods of exfoliation for unclogging pores and diminishing the appearance of blackheads. For immediate pore perfecting results that smooths out the surface of your skin, I recommend an exfoliating scrub or mask. For deeper exfoliation that gets inside your pores, I recommend using a serum, toner or mask containing exfoliating acids or enzymes. Usually a combination of the two works the best. Depending on your skin type, you should be exfoliating your skin with a scrub, mask, toner, or serum at least once a week, and no more than 3 times a week. You never want to over-exfoliate your skin, which can result in redness, irritation, and dehydrated skin. If you're just starting to add exfoliation into your skincare routine, start with just once a week using either an exfoliating scrub, mask, or serum. As your skin gets used to exfoliation, you can increase the frequency to 2 or 3 times a week. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.